Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix Phantom Wallet failed to authenticate. 1. Check your internet connection. A slow or weak connection could cause issues with authentication. If you are using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi, or if on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. Check if the issue persists after changing connections. 2. Update Phantom Wallet. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Phantom Wallet. If an update is available, click Update and wait for the installation to finish. Check if the issue is resolved after updating. 3. Clear cache. Go to your device settings, find Phantom Wallet, and hold the app icon. Tap the info or eye icon, then click on Clear Data and select Clear Cache. Only clear the cache, not all data, to avoid losing wallet info. Restart your phone and check if authentication works. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!